Israel initiated its municipal elections on Tuesday morning, marking a significant moment amid the ongoing conflicts with Hamas and Hezbollah. Originally slated for October 31, 2023, the election had to be postponed twice due to the escalating hostilities with Hamas in Gaza and the mounting tensions with Hezbollah along the northern border. This delay marked only the third instance in Israel's history where municipal elections were deferred, following similar postponements during the Yom Kippur War in 1973 and the First Lebanon War in 1982. While the majority of Israel is actively participating in the ongoing elections, a notable exception exists for 5 local authorities located in border areas with Gaza and 6 in the northern regions. These areas will defer their voting until this coming November due to security concerns stemming from the ongoing conflicts. Residents from these evacuated regions currently reside in hotels and temporary housing across the country, rendering the organization of a vote logistically challenging. Despite these exceptions, a total of 242 local authorities across Israel will partake in the elections, comprising 197 municipal authorities and 44 local councils. An estimated 7 million eligible voters will exercise the democratic right to elect municipal leaders and councils. Notably, residents who reached the age of 17 before November 7, 2023 are eligible to participate in the electoral process. The publication of the final election results is anticipated later in the week, providing insight into the chosen leadership for these vital community structures. The election process for Israeli soldiers and reservists commenced a week ago, with the Israel Defense Forces facilitating polling stations on bases even for those deployed within Gaza. To streamline the process, their votes were collected and tallied in advance. Election Day, classified as a federal holiday in Israel, is accompanied by heightened security measures. Regular security evaluations conducted every 2 hours ensure voter safety in collaboration with the IDF Home Front Command and the Israel Police. Despite the ongoing conflict posing significant challenges, uncertainty shrouds voter turnout. Media focus on the war may detract attention from the elections, potentially impacting participation. Moreover, apprehensions of rocket attacks from both the north and south may dissuade voters from venturing to polling stations. However, concerted efforts have been made to uphold inclusivity in the electoral process, notwithstanding the prevailing circumstances.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.